Hello friends, this is Nisha Vasudeva in Department of Computer Science and Information Technology from Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today we are here to discuss the topic Decidability in NP Complete, that is the part of Unit 5, BTech 4th semester. So first is what is decision problem. To keep the thing simple, we will mainly concern ourselves with the decision problem. Decision means we have to choose either the yes value or the no value. So these problems only require a single bit output, yes and no. Here we already studied what is the P problem, NP problem, NP complete, NP hard. These are the number of problems that exist. So P is a set of decision problem with a yes or no answer. That means that is a polynomial bound. Polynomial bound means if its worst case complexity is bounded by the polynomial function, so belongs to the P class. That means this is predictable problems. Next, there are the number of problems for which the answer is yes or no. This type of problem are known as decision problem. For example, whether a given graph can be colored by only 4 colors or more colors. Second one is the finding cycle in the graph is not a decision problem. So these are some examples for this. Next, what is language? A decision problem may belongs to a language if it provides answer yes or no for the specific input. That means if we given any of the input value to any of the machine, then it gives the answer is yes or no. So NP is the class of decision problem for which it is easy to check the correctness of the claim answer. Hence we are not asking about the way to find out the answer, but only verify the solution is correct or not. In the NP problem, as we already studied, this is a verifiable problem, but P problem is a decidable problem. So in this NP class, we have only verify this problem or this verify the solution that is really correct or not. We don't ask about the way to find the solution. Next, what is the language? As we already tell, for this, for some input size n, its worst case time complexity of the algorithm, that is order of n of the power k. That means this is the exponential time complexity whose k is some constant value. Next, there are number of problems as we already studied. There are P problem, NP, NP complete, NP hard problem. So on the basis of these decisions, we have divided the definition of this. In the P problem, the class of problem which can be solved by the deterministic polynomial algorithm, whereas in the NP, the class of decision problem which can be solved by the non-deterministic polynomial algorithm. But in the NP hard, the class of problems to which every NP problem reduced to some other problem. Whereas in the NP complete problem, the class of the problem which is NP hard and belongs to NP, that is known as the NP complete. So we divided into 4 categories: in the polynomial time, in the non-polynomial time. In this we have only reduced the, or we can say there is the reduction of the process is possible, whereas for the NP complete problem we have 2 processes. One is the NP, second one is the NP hard. So on the basis of this, P is the class of problem that are solvable in polynomial time, whereas NP is a class of problem that is verifiable in the polynomial time. NP is a class of decision problem for which it is easy to check the correctness of the problem, because in this we can verify the process of a claim answer with the aid of the little extra information. Hence we are not asking for a way of finding the solution, but only to verify that solution that is correct or not. Next is what is P versus NP. Every decision problem that is solvable by deterministic polynomial time algorithm, that is also solvable by the polynomial time non-deterministic algorithm. Whereas a problem in the class NP complete, if it is in the NP and it is NP hard, as any problem in NP. A problem is NP hard if all the problem in NP are reduced to some other problem, even though it may be or may not be NP itself. That is NP hard problem. So P versus NP means we have to find out the solution in the polynomial time, whereas in the case of NP we have first prove NP hard, second one is the NP problem. Next, if the polynomial time algorithm exists for any of these problem, all the problem NP would be polynomial time solvable. These are known as the NP complete problem. Next, what is the definition of NP complete? A language B is NP complete if it satisfies the 2 conditions. First, B is in the NP. Second one is every A in NP, that is every A in NP is the polynomial time that is reducible to B. If the language satisfies the second property but not necessarily the first one, so we can say that this is NP hard. So we have, for the NP completeness, we have to prove these both these two steps, but for the NP hard problem we have only one step. Next one is NP complete problems. Determine whether a graph has a Hamilton cycle or not. Second one is the determining whether a Boolean formula is satisfiable or not. Whereas NP hard problem has number of problem. Number one is the satisfiability problem. Second is the set cover problem. Third one is the vertex cover problem. And fourth one is the traveling salesman problem. We solve all these problem in the coming lectures one by one. Thank you.